In this video, I'm going to show you how exactly you can take advantage of triangular crypto arbitrage on BYBIT crypto exchange. And of course, I'm going to show you how exactly you can find these triangular crypto arbitrage opportunities. And of course, we're going to do a live trade in this video whereby I'm going to show you step by step taking advantage of triangular crypto arbitrage opportunity and to make profit. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Alright, so you already know that you have to put our settings and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna go through this quickly. Right here we have to put our markets, so we're using USDT markets, and right here you have to put the amount that you are willing to trade with. You can trade up to any amount that you want, but in this case we're just gonna use 100 USD. And right here we want to see the top 6 trades that are available on BYBIT. All right, so we're just going to put 6, meaning that is going to show us the top 6 triangular crypto arbitrage opportunities that are available on BYBIT at this moment. And these are settings for auto trading, so we're just going to leave them blank like this. And right here, make sure you have to disable auto trading. You only enable it if you want to auto trade this thing, so meaning that you can just put your API keys and everything, then the scanner is just going to trade for you automatically and stuff like that. So it's really simple and anyone can actually do this. So just going to go ahead and click apply, and it's just going to load up and give us triangular crypto arbitrage opportunities that are available on BYBIT. Alright, so this is what we got. First we got USDT to BTC, then to TRY, and we're gonna make approximately 8%, followed by this one with Solana. And okay, we got 3 Solanas right here. We're just gonna take this one in the middle, USDT. We're gonna need some USDT, then buy Solana, then sell Solana to USDC, then convert USDC to USDT, and we're gonna make approximately 7%. So you know that you have to do this within 5 minutes. That's recommended time, and we're doing this on BYBIT. So I'm just gonna go jump right into my BYBIT, and we're gonna trade live and stuff like that. So let's get right into BYBIT. Alright guys, so as you can see right now we're on BYBIT, and this is exchange that we're going to take advantage of. And you can see that I only have like 100 USD in my wallet, and these amount that we're gonna use to take advantage of this triangular crypto arbitrage. So we're just gonna jump right into it. We're gonna go to spot trading right here, and it says we need to buy some Solana using USDT because we're starting with USDT, right? So we're gonna go to USDT, and we're just gonna spend 100% of our available balance that we have in our wallet like this. And let's get some Solana right here. All right, so as you can see right now we've got at least 0.592 worth of Solana, and we're just gonna convert this Solana to USDC because that's where we're gonna get this triangular crypto arbitrage opportunity. All right, so we're gonna search right here, so to USDC right here in the middle, as you can see. So we're just gonna sell our Solana to USDC right here. All right, 100%, and click sell. All right, so we're just gonna go ahead and convert this USDC to USDT. All right, so we already know that we made the profits already, like 6 USD, because this where triangular crypto arbitrage opportunity was. All right, so yeah, you're just gonna convert this USDC to USDT and make profit of 6 USDT already. So you're just gonna search USDC to USDT right here and sell this USDC to USDT, and you already made a profit of at least 6 USD. See, so this thing is very simple, but you just have to do it as soon as possible, and you have to be quick. So I already told you guys that to do this you have like at least 5 minutes to take advantage of this triangular crypto arbitrage, and you have to do it as soon as possible. So to get a scanner, just go to heavycryptouniversity.online, and the link to heavycryptouniversity.online is gonna be in the description below as well. And you're just gonna scroll down, and you're gonna find right here, it's called triangular crypto arbitrage scanner, and this is a scanner that helps you to find these triangular crypto arbitrage opportunities in different crypto exchanges. All right, so it's very simple. Just have to click right here, add it to cart, and fill up your details, and you're good to go. So this is it. My name is Arthur, guys. Thank you for joining in, and if you If you enjoy this kind of content, make sure you subscribe and leave a like button for YouTube algorithm. You're really helping the channel. And if you want to learn more about trading and including triangular crypto arbitrage or trading arbitrage in general, make sure you check out heavycryptoarthur.online. And this crypto masterclass course cover pretty much anything about trading. So my name is Arthur, guys. Therefore, I'll send the video. Love and peace, guys. Cheers.